Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi, and welcome to Fox Focus. It's a new year. We have another round of case or no case. Again, situations that happen in real life that may or may not have legal consequences. And with me today is attorney Jeff Pittman of PKSD. How was your new year?
It was fantastic. How was yours?
It was good. It went by too fast.
And I wanted to wish you and all the viewers a happy and healthy 2015.
And I'm ready. I am on a roll, I think, for 2015. So let's see what you brought for
Okay,
cases.
so by this time, everybody's dealt with the winter wonderland of Wisconsin that we have already.
Yes.
So we have a couple scenarios that we're going to talk about that might apply to people in their everyday lives and also some recreational activities that only happen
in wintertime.
In winter in Wisconsin.
Right.
Okay, so the first one is that we happen to have some fresh snow. Okay, and so those of us who like to snowmobile, fresh snow, get it groomed. It's your opportunity to get out there and have some fun. And so you're gonna get your sled, you drive it out to a public trail, and you're going down the trail. And then coming the opposite direction is another snowmobiler,
okay,
who happens to swerve and smash into your snowmobile, and you get seriously injured.
Ugh.
You're on a public trail, case or no case.
This one almost seems really obvious because I would definitely think you'd have a case.
You're right.
All right.
And it is fairly obvious, but I want to make clear about it that there are rules of the trail similar to rules of the road that we have when we drive our cars. Snowmobilers have to drive at a reasonable and prudent speed. They also have to be careful. They can't endanger the safety of others, and absolutely cannot drink or use drugs when they're driving their snowmobile. So basically, the same rules apply when you drive your snowmobile from when you drive your car.
Interesting. All right. Okay. So we got a case on that one. I got that one right. What's next?
That's right. You're 1 for 1 so far in 2015. Okay. That's great. Okay. So the second scenario is like we had that same scenario. We have some fresh snow. Let's say 6 inches of snow falls overnight. Now you, Karen, you live in an apartment complex, and so you get up and you're going to go to work. You walk out of your apartment, you walk down the sidewalk, but the snow hasn't been shoveled yet.
Which at the time I go to work makes sense.
Probably
like, get
not.
up and go really early.
Right?
Okay.
And so then you're walking towards the parking lot on this private sidewalk. You slip, fall, and you break your arm. Case or no case?
Again, I got to go with case only because it seems like the apartment complex should take care of that.
Probably not a case. And let me tell you why. This is part of the education that we've talked about before. This is important for people to know. There's a difference between a natural accumulation of snow or ice versus an unnatural accumulation of snow and ice. If it's a natural accumulation, so let's say that the building owner didn't have the opportunity yet to clear out the snow, that's a natural accumulation of snow for which you cannot make a claim if you fall as a result of that.
Okay.
But if it's an unnatural accumulation, let's say that the building owner doesn't clean up that snow, doesn't clear it out for a few days, and it gets packed down, gets icy, now that would be an unnatural accumulation of ice.
And then you
there
would.
could have a claim, exactly. So the closer you are to the time of the snow or something like that, the less likely that you have a case. The longer it goes on that hasn't been any snow removal or ice removal,
sure,
you might have a case.
All right. See, good learning stuff, like you said. And because of this, we have people like Jeff to walk us through these things. And if you would like to talk to Jeff or any of the attorneys at PKSD, call them at 414-333-3333. They also have a newly designed website. You could check out a lot of frequently asked questions on there, too, that are really helpful. And that is pksd.com. Have a great new year, and thanks for watching Fox Focus and Case or No Case with Jeff Pittman and myself.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.